Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Ninja DualBrew grounds and pods specialty coffee system. This coffee maker delivers coffee house versatility that is now compatible with pods. The Ninja DualBrew coffee system comes with several amazing features to make brewing coffee at home more convenient and delicious. The delay brew function allows you to plan your brew up to 24 hours in advance. This function is perfect if you're an early riser and you like to prep your coffee ahead of time. The keep warm function keeps your carafe of coffee hot for up to 4 hours. If you own the thermal carafe model, there is no need for this function as the thermal carafe keeps the coffee warm. The fold-away frother is one of my favorite aspects of this system. It allows you to easily create frothed milk for your specialty drinks. The Ninja Smart Scoop takes the guesswork out of measuring. The numbers besides the icons show the number of scoops recommended for each brew size. The multi-position, removable water reservoir not only makes refilling easy, but allows you to position the water reservoir on the side or the rear of the unit to fit your space. And lastly, the Ninja Pod Adapter allows you to easily insert and brew single-serve pods. Plus, it is removable from the unit, allowing for easy cleaning. One feature of this coffee system that I love is the multi-position removable reservoir. To switch the position of the reservoir, you're going to remove the reservoir from the base. Then remove the latch from behind the unit. Swing the base around the back until you hear a click. Then rotate the latch 180 degrees and reinsert it on the right side of the machine where the reservoir was previously positioned. You'll notice a hook on the back of the machine similar to the one on the right side of the unit. Align the reservoir with the hook and you're all set to start brewing. To remove the reservoir back to the side of the unit, you will follow the same steps and replace the latch in the back side of the unit. What also makes the machine so special is how easy it is to go from brewing pods to grounds. To brew from a pod, lift the handle and insert your favorite coffee pod. To remove the pod adapter and brew from grounds, simply push the handle towards the back of the machine and remove the adapter. Insert a number 4 paper cone filter, then pull the sliding lid forward to begin brewing. To go back to brewing from a pod, reinsert the pod adapter and pull the handle forward. Then open up the pod adapter to insert a pod. If you're a tea or oatmeal lover, or your kids love to drink hot chocolate on a cold day, you're going to love having on-demand hot water. The dedicated hot water line ensures there's no coffee flavor contamination when dispensing your hot water. To activate the hot water system, turn the dial on the left side of the machine from the bean icon to the water icon. You'll notice that the hot water icon is now illuminated on the display. Select your water temperature, size, press the start brew button, and you're all set to go. This versatile coffee system is a staple in my house and we use it every morning. If you're looking for more tips and tricks and recipe information, visit ninjatestkitchen.com or join our official Ninja Foodie Family community on Facebook.